Yo, what's up, everybody? It's KB here. So, yeah, finally, I'm back with the new PC. Yeah, it's here. I know it's sitting on the table. Yeah, we will talk about that later, but first, I'm gonna give you guys the specs. That is the most important thing. Okay, everybody wants to know what are the specs of my PC and all that. So, let's just do it. First of all, I want to show you guys this. I have done a paperwork for the first time. I know it's bad, but let me give you the specs of this PC first, okay? So let's just begin with the CPU. It has a i7-9700K, okay? It has a motherboard MSI Z390 Gaming Plus. I know it's not the high-end motherboard, but that's what I got, okay? Don't tell me in the comments that, oh no, you should have got that and that and that, okay? We'll talk about that later on, what happened and why I bought this and how I bought this in this condition, okay? And after that, we have a RAM, 32 gigs and 16. So it has a 4 slots. I have put only 2 of them, 16 into 16, and that is 32. And the graphics card, we got MSI RTX 2070 Super Gaming Trio something, okay? It's the 2070 Super. So, and we have the monitor, which is MSI Optics G24 4C, 144 Hertz, okay? So that's that. And we got the case. Yeah, I forgot about the case. Maybe you guys have never heard about this, but it's a RES Z, and the model number is Z2020B gaming case. That's the name of the case. Don't worry, I will put link in the description for my site. From there, you can click on the individual links for the specific part of my PC, and from there you can look at them, okay? Hopefully you got the idea. And memory, I got 512 gigabyte SSD, okay, and 1 terabyte of HDD. And I got a free keyboard and mouse combo, and this is the keyboard, okay? It's a, what is this, gold kissed, okay? That is the name. I don't know, I never heard the name of that, but I don't use that keyboard anyway, but I got it for free. Not free, but they included with the PC. So that's that. And we have a Cooler Master H410R, okay? Yeah, those are the specs. Now we can talk freely, because people wants to know the specs first and then the talk. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is first time having a real computer, and it feels amazing and awesome because it's just a next level experience, because I have been using a laptop from a very long time, and it is like 10 times faster than the laptop and all that. So yeah, it's RGB. Never had a RGB thingy in my house before, so this is the first RGB thingy I have. So RAM, we have the Adata XPG. You can see I have 2 of them. This is the Cooler Master something, and it has a fan total in the case. I think it has a 1 2 3 4 4 of them, and 5 yeah, 4 fans. And this is the graphics card, 2070 Super Trio with the triple fan, I believe. Yeah, I have not looked at it because I did not assemble this. I'm being honest here, okay? It came assembled. Some of the things were like loose, but I tightened them up after I got it, because some of the things were not working. Like the graphics card was shaken, it was not in the place, so I had to put it back again, and one of the RAM was fallen and I had to put that again, and that's pretty much it. I have not, it's my first time getting a PC, so this is my first experience, so I can't say much about it, but all I can say is that comparing to a laptop, a PC is fast. I never had a PC, so I can say that it's pretty fast. So yeah, that's it. This is the monitor. It's the curved monitor, MSI Optics G24 series. Okay, it's the 144 hertz and 1080p, so you can see, and it has a FreeSync, and you can see there 1 millisecond response time, which is, I think, very fast. I don't know, this is happening me for the first time, so I can't say much. So I have the old webcam there. It's the Logitech C920, so that's that. And I have double keyboards, the old one, this is the wireless, and this is the one I got it with the PC. And I'm gonna be using this a little bit because I want to get used to these kind of keyboards, because I never used a keyboard like this, and it is fat, heavy, or you can say, I don't know how to say it, but it feels really different compared to this. This is slim. I like this. And this is the what do you call it, mouse? Yeah. So yeah, it's also the old one. This is Logitech something, I don't know, I forgot the name of this, but this is the old one. I got the new mouse, but it was so light, I did not like it, so I didn't put it. So here we have UPS with the 1200 watts, I believe. Yeah, it does the work. Okay, it works. Whenever my electricity goes off, it holds the PC for a moment, so I can just shut down my PC safely. So that's why I got it. And now I think that's all we have. The monitor, and this is the only thing I have new. And the cable management, let's not talk about it, okay? Let's just not talk about it. If you have any suggestion for the cable management, then please let me know, guys, because wow, that's messy. So I don't know, how do I manage these cables? How do I clean this up? Maybe I will just tie them together later. So I just unboxed it and put it together, installed the Windows and few softwares for recording and editing the videos. So that's all I have done for now, and rest, you know what's up. Okay, so that's that. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments and I will be happy to reply you. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. It's also a new experience. I have put the 32 gigs of RAM because I want to run some virtual machines for my tutorials and all that. So yeah, don't diss me in the comments. Why do you need 32 gigs of RAM? I want to run virtual machine, okay? That is the only reason. And for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And as I said, I will put link in the description for my site. From there you can click on the individual links for the parts that I have in my PC, and that way you will know the better this PC, okay, what parts I have, what it looks like and all that. So I will try to cover almost all the parts in my site. From there, if you click on the links, it will take you to the site where my PC parts are available. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.